Hi guys, welcome back to Gracie Makeup Girl. Today we're going to be doing our eye makeup and we're going to be doing it super simple. I got a lot of requests to do that makeup that I did in my YouTube video. So that tutorial is coming. But for now, we're just going to keep, we can do it today. I found the product. Okay. So I already set my eyes with concealer, or actually I just use foundation, and a little bit of powder. So now we're gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. So I'm just gonna start with this shade right here. So we just have something for the other colors to blend into. Go ahead and blend her out. And top this on the lower lash line as well. This one, my friend Rochelle is here, hanging out with us today. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the main eyeshadows. So we're gonna go in with this one, and we're gonna go in with this one. And then we're just going to kind of apply them to the outer corner. Yeah, so this is not a tutorial, guys, because I'm actually showing you what I'm doing. So I'm just layering them both up, and then I just blend them out. So that part is very simple. I do take a little bit of this dark one, and I just pop that in with the eye socket. Alright, now for the lid, I'm just going to do one eye so that we can fit all the products in. This is the M Princess Cosmetics in Pretty Petal. It's their pigment. And I'm just going to take a little spray of it and mix it on up and pop her on my lid. It's super pretty, very simple. But like, look at how freaking stunning that is, guys. Like, that is stunning. Then we're gonna simply go ahead and do mascara. I'm gonna do that off camera, be right back. I just used this air brow and put that on my lashes because my mascara is packed away. And obviously I'm just gonna run that through my brows. Trying to make it 3 minutes. Okay, so, and then I'm just gonna take this and out of my eyes. And that is literally it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you very much. Don't forget to follow, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!